Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage rustic cottage decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Vintage rustic cottage decor inspiration is all about creating a warm, nostalgic and natural home atmosphere that feels both lived-in and timeless. It draws inspiration from old countryside cottages, layering rustic charm with vintage treasures to create a soulful and cozy aesthetics. Vintage rustic cottage decor inspiration is about mixing nostalgic charm with rustic simplicity, bringing the romance of the past into everyday living, while keeping spaces warm, inviting, and deeply personal. Let's go even deeper into vintage rustic cottage decor inspiration, looking at its layers of style, emotion, and symbolism so you can fully imagine it as both an aesthetic and way of living. Deeper character of vintage rustic cottage decor. This style is like a memory made tangible. It feels warm, imperfect, and comforting as though the house itself carries stories of past generations. Unlike modern sleek design, it treasures the weathered, the handmade, and the collected. It is vintage because it pulls from old eras, antique finds, second-hand treasures. It is rustic because it embraces nature and raw beauty like old stone or finishes. It is cottage because it is intimate and cozy, small scale rooms filled with warmth and charm. The details that bring it to life: furniture on wooden tables with scratches that show use and love, iron bed frames with patchwork coils, handmade rocking chairs by the fireplace, cabinets with chipped paint and glass doors showing china inside. Fabrics: use hand-stitched quilts, crochet throws, and lace runners. Use gingham, stripes, or teeny floral prints for cushions and curtains. Use linen and cotton for a soft, lived-in feeling. Decor accents: use old enamel art, brass candlesticks, and vintage clocks. Use messengers with dried lavender or fresh daisies. Open baskets stacked for both storage and decoration. Use old books with old leather spans, sitting on shelves. The sensory atmosphere: site a room layered with cozy pictures, antique treasures, and natural light spilling in. Smell: use fresh herbs, beeswax candles, oud smoke, and lavender scents. Sound: the creak of old floors, the ticking of an old clock, the crackle of a fire. Touch: the softness of coils, the rough grain of old wood, the smoothness of old enamel. Emotional meaning: nostalgia. It feels like home even if you never lived in such a place. Comfort: a retreat from the chaos of modern life. Romance: gentle, dreamy details that make everyday life feel special. Connection to nature: wildflowers in a picture, herbs on the windowsill, muddy boards by the door. Lifestyle dimensions: living in the sticker style often means collecting flower market finds in a state or buying brand new. Embracing small rituals: tea in vintage cups, baking bread in cast iron, arranging flowers from the garden. Choosing simplicity and slowness: valuing soulful spaces over perfection, creating a home that feels hand touched and heartfelt rather than polished and staged. Vintage Rustic Cottage Decor inspiration is not just about objects, it is about creating a feeling, a home that wraps you in comfort, whispers old stories, and always feels like a safe, timeless retreat. Where it comes from, cottages of Europe, the look grew from humble vintage homes in England, France, and countryside of Scandinavia, where decor was practical, handmade, and rooted in local resources. Rustic farm life. Farmers used wood, stone, and iron, decorating with what they had: quads, pottery, and basket. Vintage influence. As the years passed, old pieces gained character, and now we seek out the time-worn beauty to recreate the cozy charm of old world living. The artistic essence. Think of vintage rustic cottage decor as a painting made of textures and stories. The palette is soft and natural. Muted creams, mossy green, rose blush, battery yellow, and warm browns. The composition is layered but never cluttered, balanced between charm and comfort. Tipa decorative layers, walls and backgrounds. Whitewashed or lime-washed walls use floral or tall wallpaper in soft tones, exposed wood beams or stone accents. Furniture character mismatched chairs around the wooden table, window summaries or hutches for storage, chunks used as coffee tables or bedside storage. Everyday details, tea towels with hand embroidery, baskets for kindling or vegetables, small vases with wildflowers freshly picked. Lighting, warm glow from lamps with fabric shades, candles in brass or glass holders, natural daylight filtering through sheer lace curtains. Symbolism and feeling, imperfect beauty, a tipped jug becomes more precious because of its history. Comfort in simplicity. Spaces don't feel space, they feel lived in. Nature's handprint, wood, stone, herbs, and flowers create harmony between indoors and outdoors. Romance of time. Every splash, wrinkle, and fade tells a story of use and love. Lifestyle influence. Living in this style often means decorating with memory and meaning, not just trends. Choosing solo living and making, gardening, reading by lamplight. Valuing sustainability, repurposing, reusing, and repairing rather than discarding. Create a home where hospitality feels natural. Guests are greeted with warmth, not formality. At its heart, vintage rustic cottage decor inspiration is a way of making a house feel like a storybook home, filled with soul, surrounded by nature and touched by time. The storytelling nature of the style, vintage rustic cottage decor is not just decoration. It is like living in a storybook. Each room feels like a chapter. Each object has a character with a past. A withered trunk whispers of travels long ago. A quiet hand stays carries the memory of a grandmother's hand. A chipped enamel jug holds fresh wildflowers, birthing Starday's simplicity with today's charm. It is nostalgic yet alive, a style that makes the home feel both old and timeless at once. The philosophy behind it: imperfection is beauty, as grasses, faded colors, own aged, all add depth and soul. Nature belongs inside. Free shelves on the sill, open baskets, stoneware, and wood grains jut. The home in the earth. Home is for comfort in a state of perfection. The goal is warmth and intimacy. Past meets present. Antiques lie beside handmade crafts, and heirlooms sit next to flower market finds. Design layers in action. Architectural backgrounds, exposed beams, lime-washed walls, stone hearths, small paint cottage windows, dressed in lace or gingham. Furniture sold, farm tables with mismatched chairs, iron or brass bed frames stuffed in patchwork quilts, old wooden dressers holding stacks of vintage linens. Textiles and patterns, quilt, crochet shows, and lace runners use gingham, toile, and faded florals. Natural backdrops with pastels or earthy accents. Decor touches, wild lamps, enamel art, and pottery, books with cracked spines, baskets with kindling, giant herbs, or knitting yarn. The sensory experience: sight, light dancing of own wood, the glow of candlelight, the coziness of layered fabrics. Smell: fresh breath, lavender shades, oud smoke, beeswax polish. Sound: the ticking of an old clock, rain on the windows, the crack of wooden floors. Touch: smooth porcelain, rough linen, soft wool, cool stone. Emotional dimensions: cozy and safe, a place to retreat from the outside world. Rooted in time, pieces connect you to the past, giving a sense of continuity. Nature loving. Every element brings you closer to the seasons: spring blossoms, autumn waves, winter firesides. Lifestyle reflections. Living in this decor is more than design, it is daily life rituals. Morning sunlight on lace curtains while steeping tea from a vintage cup. Baking with cast iron pans and keeping herbs hanging to dry in the kitchen. Spending evenings by firelight with a handmade quilt wrapped around your shoulders. Choosing objects that feel alive with a story, not mass product. Reader's Rustic Cottage Decor inspiration is about making a home that feels soulful, grounded, and deeply human. A century where the past lingers softly in the present. The spirit of the style, Reader's Rustic Cottage Decor is not just a look, it is a philosophy of home. It embraces the romance of the past while celebrating the comfort of the present. It trips on authenticity, wood that shows its age, fabric that carries softness from years of use, ceramics that are slightly chipped but full of charm. It is about creating an atmosphere that feels as though time slowed down, while every corner is a gentle reminder of simplicity, comfort, and connection to nature. Design signatures, rooms with souls, kitchens filled with open shelving, enamel pots, and herbs in clay jars. Bedrooms with old iron beds layers in patchwork, quilts, and lace. Living rooms glowing with soft lamplight, wicker baskets, and old books stacked casually. Pictures that speak. Smooth porcelain cups beside rough wooden tables, linen curtains brushing against cool stone windowsills, crocheted throws and hand-stitched quilts imparting touch. Patterns and prints. Teeny florals and curtains and cushions, gingham tablecloth and ticking stripes, styled wallpapers with pastoral essence. Color language, soft and nostalgic, cream, faded rose, butter yellow, and pale earthy and grounding, use warm browns, mossy greens, and terracotta. Seasonal hues, spring use fresh pastels, floral accents, summer airy whites, breezy blues, autumn amber, frost, deep greens, winter ivory, pine, candlelight gold. Atmospheric qualities, light, gentle daylight, chocolate curtains, evening lit by candles and lamps with fabric shades. Deeper emotional resonance, nostalgia. It evokes memories of a grandmother's cottage or a countryside visit. Romance, a dreamy storybook quality where even everyday objects feel poetic. Comfort, a space that welcomes you as you are, imperfect but loved. Connection to nature, to heritage, to handmade traditions. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.